In this After Effects tutorial, I'll show you how to create a 2D character walk cycle animation using Illustrator files. Let's get started. First, open your 2D character file in Illustrator. Once it's open, collapse the file into individual pieces to separate them. Select the first layer, click the icon to release the layers, and drag to separate them. After separating the pieces, rename them one by one. It's important to rename each layer for clarity. This helps keep things organized. Now, you'll have individual parts for each body parts, such as head, body, neck, hands, and legs, which will further break down for easier animation. Next, save the Illustrator file by pressing Ctrl+S. Let's import this into After Effects. Double-click in the Project panel. Select your file and click on Import. Make sure to select Import Kind to Composition and Footage Dimensions to Layer Size and click OK. Double-click to open the character composition. Select all the layers except BG and press T to reveal the opacity. Set the opacity to 50%. Select the Anchor Point tool and relocate the anchor points of each object. For instance, for the head, move the anchor point between the head and neck. Do this for all body parts, including the legs, ensuring smooth animation transitions. Once the anchor points are adjusted, set the opacity back to 100%. Then start parenting each body part layer. For example, parent the lower hand to the upper hand and the hand to the lower hand. Continue with the legs, parent the lower leg to the upper leg, and so on. Don't forget to parent the head, body, neck, upper hand, and upper leg to the hip as well. Now you can start animating the walk cycle. Begin by animating the leg, thigh, knee, and shoe. Move 10 frames forward into timeline. Select the leg layers, press R for rotation, clicking the stopwatch to add initial keyframe into timeline. Move to the first frame and rotate the thigh to simulate the walking motion. Repeat the process for the knee and shoe, adjusting its rotation slightly to match the movement. After animating the leg, copy and paste the first keyframes to the last by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to make the animation loop seamlessly. Apply the loop out expression by Alt-clicking the stopwatch and going to the property. This will make the animation continue indefinitely. Do the same for the knee and shoe. Now, to animate the left leg, duplicate the right leg layers by selecting them and pressing Ctrl+D. Place them to below and replace the right leg parts with the left leg parts, adjusting their positions and rotations to mirror the right leg's movement. You'll now have the full walk cycle for both legs. For the arms, select the arm layers and press R to reveal the rotation. Set initial keyframes at the 10th frame. Rotate the 3 hand layers in the first frame to the desired position, then record the keyframe and move 20 frames forward. Rotate the arm and hand again to simulate the swinging motion as the character walks. Keep adjusting the rotation every 10 frames and apply the loop out expression to the arm and hand rotations to make them loop continuously. Now, to animate the left arm, duplicate the right arm layers by selecting them and pressing Ctrl+D. Place them to below and adjusting their positions and rotations to mirror the right arm's movement. With these steps completed, you've now created a 2D character walk cycle in After Effects. You can tweak the animation further to perfect the timing or rotation, but this basic structure will get you a smooth walking animation. Happy animating! If you want to download project files or any of the assets used to creating this video, you can find a link in the description below. Scan this QR code to connect with Novela Film Academy. Learn video editing, graphic design, or get professional editing services, and that's it. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe to Novela Film Academy for more such videos.